3D Paint is pre-installed on many Windows 10 devices. It is a free, beginner-friendly program from Microsoft that lets you create both 2D and 3D designs. 3D Paint allows you to create and manipulate basic 3D objects. You can use a variety of shapes, add textures and effects, and incorporate 2D elements like drawings or text into your 3D scenes. 3D Paint has a built-in community feature where you can explore and download creations made by other users. You can sculpt, manipulate, and add textures to your creations. 3D Paint allows you to work with both 2D and 3D elements in your projects. It's a great tool for exploring 3D design concepts and creating simple models for personal projects or educational purposes. 3D Paint is free and easy to use. It offers a simple interface and playful tools. It allows you to experiment with shapes, textures, and basic 3D concepts in a fun way.